Guys, I'm not going to do a full tutorial for this one because you don't need it, okay? Having done the other assignments, you should be good to go for this one, okay? So for this, you're creating a calendar, and the first thing that it has you do is to change the margins, so I will give you a refresher on that. We're starting with a blank document. I don't have the text for you for this one. So we're going to go to the Layout tab, go to Margins, Custom Margins, and we're going to tell them that we want 1/2 inch on all sides. So you can change that here. You can also go in here and just do the narrow, and by default it'll take it. So I want to point that out. We're going to insert a table, we're going to merge some cells, insert a logo, and once you type this text in here, this pre-release Midnight Madness, pre-release Midnight Madness. You're literally going to copy and paste over and over and over again. There's only some that you're going to have to change. These shapes, though, I want to talk about these shapes. So they have 4 different shapes here. As long as they are appropriate, I don't care which shape that you choose. So instead of the smiley face, you could do something else. So when I go over here to insert symbols, I may not like these ones, so I'm going to go into more symbols. If you go to Wingdings, you can see all kinds of shapes, but again, keep it appropriate. There's no reason for a movie theater to have random signs, okay? So please choose ones that make sense for it. So if you like want to just do like a little sunburst shape, if you want to do circles, diamonds, those ones make sense. Doing like these hand gesture ones don't make sense, okay? But otherwise here are smiley faces and our other shapes are all in the Wingdings, okay? Other than that, you've done all of these things, okay? You don't need any more of a tutorial, so I'm just going to let you go to work. You got this.